peoples? Welcome to another video. I am here, and I'm... Ah! Ah! Ow! Okay, well, we're here at another, I guess, woods, you could say? God, that's right. As we're going down society today, it's a bad tree. Anyways,
I like that tree.
you see these?
No.
These are the great red-blooded leaves.
Oh.
And these are the future cactuses of this world. Future cactuses.
No, they're not.
Those are in my yard.
What?
Those are in my yard
Yeah, they're future cactuses. So you're gonna have cactuses when you get older, okay?
when I get old.
This
It
is
says I'm gonna live here when I get old.
this
Well,
is just
whatever.
a red leaf.
It's a red-blooded leaf. Get it right, my assistant. Gosh, I don't know
Yeah,
why.
assistant.
I'm your sister.
Oh! Stop touching stuff. These
What?
are the great green leaves. They look like leaves that are green.
They are.
I know, but it's very interesting. Oh my gosh! OMG! I can't believe it happens. The great outline, the lime's color.
There's a road right behind you.
Shh, quiet. The lime color makes it so beautiful.
It looks like a leaf.
Flowers.
Make you look gay if you have them in your
Shut
hair.
up. The flowers. The nice, beautiful flowers. These is what?
You should put them in your hair.
No, put them in
No.
my hair. Gimme.
Gosh, it's so annoying.
No, I'm glad you fell out of that tree.
Yeah. Let's continue. This, as you can see,
Is a road and a baseball field
shut up.
and
We're in
a
the
car.
woods. Quiet.
There aren't cars in a library.
Shut
In the
up.
woods.
Shut up.
I don't know what kind of woods you live in.
I live in these woods. Remember